fire pit. So you're gonna push the one on your left. Okay, stop. Okay. Now push them both together. Push them. There you go. And turn a little bit towards the dumpster. Doing a little cleanup, gonna let this scrap metal pile up in the dumpster and get it out of our way and get to where we can travel through here and get after splitting this firewood a little bit. The old fire pit, probably get it burning here in a little bit, and I'm gonna grab some of this wood and Logan's not sneaking up on us here. You know where he went?
My water bottle.
Oh, I got my water bottle today. And I'm gonna get those out of the way too. And we'll go move this camera. Those guys over there. Quit making that horrible noise. There we go. Can we reach it? Yeah, we can get it. Put you guys up here where you can see. Maybe. This is the trusty scrap pile. So this is my excavator. This is a 135 Hitachi. It's almost identical to a John Deere. This model's got a blade, so it's just a whisker bigger than a 120 John Deere. For those of you familiar with that, it's missing the driver's door. She's not perfect. She's old and beat up, but I picked this machine up for 10 grand cash. Awesome little machine. I fixed a couple leaks. I've still got some leaks to fix. But we're working on that stuff slowly but surely. I got to get some seals coming for the bucket cylinder, but this unit does have, it's got a real nice progressive thumb. It's got a 2-foot dig bucket. I also have a clean out bucket. I've got another 3-foot bucket that I got to re-lug for it, and it's got a hydraulic quick coupler, so that is super handy. This cylinder, you can see leaks. Not a big deal, we'll fix that. It's got all the glass in it. The heater works. I did put I put LED lights all over it. If you guys can see those. The tracks are funny looking because it's got what's left of old rubber track pads on it. I've taken those off, or I will be taking these off, and I've just got to go around and blow all these bolts off with the torch, and we'll get rid of those. But super handy little machine. Like I say, I picked it up for 10 grand cash. I'm gonna do a video on that. I buy and sell a lot of used equipment, and I'm pretty good at finding deals on stuff, and there's strategy to that, you know, it doesn't just happen. But we're gonna do a video on that and talk about that stuff. I know a lot of guys are looking for a mini excavator or a used excavator or a skid steer or an old tractor, there's a lot of strategy to this stuff that a lot of people don't know. So we're gonna do a video series on that, and so hit that subscribe button and don't miss anything. Myself a little bit here. Let's spin around, make sure Logan's not sneaking up on us. I don't see him anywhere. All right, we're looking a little bit better now. I'm gonna go through this with a pitchfork and get some of the last of it. All right, guys, wrapping it up right there. This is where all that scrap metal was. It's all cleaned up and gone now. And on to the next thing. We're working on firewood. We're working on some equipment around here. We've got some new equipment on the place, and we're working on a little bit of everything. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. A lot of new things coming. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.